Hi, hello, how are ya? Chef Kennedy here. The holiday season is upon us, which means one thing, cookies! For the rest of December, I'll be sharing my holiday sweet treats. Today, I'll teach you how to make Italian rainbow cookies. These decadent almond cakes filled with apricot and raspberry jam and covered in dark chocolate are a fan favorite. It's time to taste the rainbow. Okay, these are all the ingredients you'll need for the rainbow cookies, and we're gonna start with 1 cup of non-dairy milk, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and a 1/2 block of almond paste. Blend that baby up. Now that that's nice and creamy, we're gonna take 1 1/4 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and mix it up. Create a well in the center, add your wet to the dry, and guess what? You're gonna mix it up. Now we're going to portion out our batter into 3 bowls, and you're going to add in yellow, green, and red food dye. Now take a lined half sheet tray and add your 3 colors in, making them nice and even. Continue with the remaining colors. Now that that's all set, we're gonna place it in the oven for 30 minutes at 350. Allow it to cool. You know what time it is. Now that that's nice and cool, we're gonna cut the 3 different colors and then trim off any excess. Now take seedless raspberry jam and spread about 2 tablespoons on the pink layer. Then add on your yellow layer and take 2 tablespoons of apricot preserves and spread that all around. Take the remaining layer and place it on top and press her down. Now we're gonna tuck this tightly to sleep, wrapping nice and tight. And we're gonna place it on a sheet tray with another sheet tray and some heavy stuff and allow it to sit for at least 6 hours. Okay, now that your cookies are nice and compressed, we're gonna trim off the edges, save those for Scooby snacks, and then take some melted dark chocolate and just drizzle that all over top. Use a spoon to spread it out and then create beautiful swirls with the spoon. Before your chocolate's completely set, you'll want to score it into 1 by 1/2 inch pieces. Then refrigerate it and allow the chocolate to set completely before cutting them, and you'll be left with these beautiful rainbow cookies. Okay, so here we have our Italian rainbow cookies, and I love how colorful and festive they look. Now it's time for a taste test. These are perfectly moist. That almond against the dark chocolate and raspberry is perfection. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. From my kitchen to yours, Chef Kennedy out.